And we're back and we're live from the HealthWorks kitchen. I wonder what Marissa is cooking up today. Hey Marissa!
Whoa, hi!
Hey, what are you cooking today?
Today, I have a mouthful of cheese because we're going to do lasagna.
Yummy, I can't wait.
I know, so I know lasagna is not the healthiest, but sometimes it's good to treat yourself and have a little something cheesy, right?
I love cheese.
Yes, so we always like to talk about the 80-20 rule here at HealthWorks. So 80% of the time, eat really healthy. 20% of the time, have something delicious so that you don't overindulge later. So that's what this recipe is going to be. Help me assemble these. So what we're going to do is we'll start with one wonton wrapper and you put in your little muffin tin. Just kind of push it up on the side a little bit, which we pre-buttered so that it didn't stick too bad on it. You can use Pam as well. I just think it's always better to use real ingredients. So once we have one in there, just like a lasagna, you want to layer it, right? So we'll start with a little bit of sauce in the bottom there. And you want to layer your cheeses, so mozzarella, super cheesy, ricotta, that's that delicious one in the middle. Everyone loves with their lasagna. A little bit of Parmesan. And you can add some spices you like. I like oregano, that's a good Italian spice. I like red pepper flakes in mine because I like my food spicy. Has some type of ground meat, Italian sausage, but we're going to use ground turkey to make it a little bit healthier. So it's also a leaner meat, so I added a little bit of oil to our pan just to help brown it a little bit and give it that little bit of yumminess into it. So we're going to fry this up real quick. Okay, then we add our little bit of meat, and then you got to get another little wrapper here. We're just going to keep layering it up. So see how this is really easy for your kids to be able to help out in the kitchen and make these, and they're going to think it's so fun and tasty. You don't need a lot in each one also. Remember that. It's just like when you're making a burrito. If you overstuff it, you'll never be able to close it.
Place these in the oven at 375 for 15 minutes.
Delicious?
They really do.
I know.
From all of us here at HealthWorks, bon appetit!